Audio Jungle.
Hi, welcome to all my empowered K Factor subscribers. To all those who are new, this is Krish here. I'm a life skill coach, motivator, author, but most importantly, I'm your personal coach. I'm here to help you to live your life to the fullest. We actually live in a pyramidal society. There are a lot of people at the bottom of the pyramid and very few people at the top. Who are these people who live at this bottom of this pyramid? These are the people who struggle through life, who are actually finding it difficult to make both the ends meet, who live a hand-to-mouth kind of an existence. And who are these people at the top? The people on the top are the people who are prospering, who are thriving. You look at any community, you look at any geographical area, you'll find a lot of people at the bottom of the pyramid and very few people at the top. If you look at the people at the top, many of them were actually from the bottom and they just rose up. Why? Because they simply refused to be satisfied by being mediocre. They wanted to rise up. So they did things with excellence, with commitment, and they just got up to the highest level. I was watching an interview with Oprah Winfrey, and she was asked, you come from a broken home. You had a troubled teen. How did you become one of the most powerful women in television? And Oprah said, I made a commitment that whatever I'll do it with excellence. Initially she was not like any television or movie star. She didn't look like that. She was not thin, she was not glamorous, but whatever she did it with full of passion for excellence. Excellence is like truth. Excellence, you can push it down. Excellence, you can cover it up. You can ignore it, but it will come up. It will rise up. Whatever you do, it will rise up. Because that's the principle of cream de la de cream. The cream will always rise. The best investment you can do in life, it is not mutual funds. It is not shares and securities. The best investment you can do is do things with excellence. When you do things with excellence, it gives you the most important returns. Nowadays, you must be hearing a lot of companies are sending away people. They're using words like downsizing, right sizing. But if you've been doing your job with excellence, even when I send you people, when I'm sending away people, I make sure that I'll retain you because I know the value that you bring to the company. And when I go to a new company, I'll make sure you'll be the first person I'm going to bring and take you to that company. I believe excellence is the best insurance policy that you can have in your life. I happen to see this quote written in someone's desk which said, to be successful for successful people, when you build your home, you need to do it with unrelenting purpose, brick by brick. When you keep the last brick, even when you keep the last brick, it should have the same love, same sincerity, same interest that you had when you kept your first brick. We should do things with mindfulness that the most important brick is the brick that I'm going to lay next. When you do things like this, that's what excellence is. That's what beautiful success is all about. And I want you to take a commitment. Let's take a commitment today that whatever we do from today onwards, let's make sure that we do it with full involvement, full commitment in pursuit of excellence. And I promise you, if you do this, you're going to be the witness of your dreams getting fulfilled right in front of you. Thank you. Be blissful.
Please like and share this video with friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to K Factor channel, please subscribe.